guys, welcome back to Rooted in Style. I was just in Bentonville, Arkansas, which for those of you who don't know is the home of Walmart. And I have to say, I have to share this with you. It was such an amazing nursery at Walmart. It was specifically the Clair's Walmart on 406 South Walton Ave. When I was there, I saw a peacock fern, which is still the only peacock fern I've seen, which is really rare. And then they had a chameleon ZZ plant, which I feel like is also a little bit of a rare gem. I think that the ZZ plants are a bit underrated, and I really like the chameleon one. What else did they have? Oh, they had this huge monstera constellation, just massive. The leaves are so much bigger than your hand, and it was so well priced and affordable. They also had little ones, smaller, you know, so if you don't have that much space, you can still have one, although it will grow and end up taking up a lot of room. And I even spotted a large philodendron. I don't do philodendrons because they end up growing so big. I think maybe it was a philodendron linnet, but I don't know. Either way, they had all those types of rare finds for me. And then they had your common, you know, like your typical ZZs, rubber plants, begonias, pothos. They had bird of paradise, just the regular parlor palms, those types of things. So if you're in the area, I do highly recommend that you go and check it out, since it was such a surprise to me. It was a little green paradise. So I will be showing you my video tour. Bear with me, it's not the best, but it will show you all these plants that I'm talking about. So we're in Walmart in Bentonville right now. We've got some plants here. So they've got these little Aralias, peperomia, ivy, these little ones, some crotons here. They've got your typical ZZ plants for the $20. They have this chameleon ZZ plant, so it's a little bit different. You can see the veining on the leaves. I think those are cool. Also $20. Some begonias here, some perus. These are monsteras, cobras. This may be a peacock fern. Yeah, this is a peacock fern. These can be really cool. They have the blue tint. I don't think it shows up that well in the video. Some other ferns, pothos, lipstick plant. They have a really sad looking hoya. Here you've got some of your herbs, some succulents. Some more succulents over here. Some bonsais. Pineapple plants. We have these monstera constellations. You can see that variegation's pretty nice. This one is not telling me your price there. Let's see. $30. There's a whole bunch of them there. And some of them are really nice. Look at how big this leaf is. That is nice. They have a even bigger one. Look how big this one is. This is my hand. This one is $55. hoyas. This one is, oh, this is a lipstick plant. 20 bucks. It's our clearance section. Some more of these. Some big palms over there. Bird of paradise is here. That concludes our tour of the Clair's Walmart at 406 South Walton Boulevard in Bentonville, Arkansas. Obviously, it is a little bit of a hidden gem. There's some rare finds. So if you're in the area, I would recommend going there. You'll probably end up getting some plants. If you had any questions about what some of the plants were in this video, or if you know what that huge philodendron was, please feel free to let me know in the comments. And if you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. Happy planting!